Hello guys, today I will guide you through how to watch movies on Plex, covering personal media, free content and streaming options. Let's dive in. So you might be wondering what exactly is Plex and what does it do? So Plex is a versatile platform designed to provide a Netflix-like interface for managing and streaming your personal media such as movies, shows and music. Additionally, Plex offers free ad-supported movies and TV shows curated by Plex. Also, Plex offers discovery features that aggregate content from other streaming platforms. So, the first step to watching movies on Plex is setting up Plex for personal media. So, you can visit the Plex website on any browser. Go to the search bar, type in Plex, hit enter. Now, click on the link that says www.plex.tv. Now, after opening the app or website, you'll have to click on sign in here also. Now, after signing in using user credentials, you will see Plex dashboard and it is going to look something like this. In order to access this, simply navigate to any movie or TV. I'm going to choose this one. Click on the play icon and it will instantly play that specific movie or TV show. You can go back, choose another movie or TV show. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Now it will load up that movie and you'll be easily able to watch this movie after it gets loaded. Now, you're going to see that some of the movies are not available. For example, I'm going to search for The Boys, hit enter. Now, I will choose this show named The Boys. Now, when I click on the movie name, it will take me to this page where I can add this to my watch list. And I also get the option to watch this but from Amazon Prime Video, not on the Plex application. As you can see, there is no play button available here. I can only watch this movie using Amazon Prime Video. So I can click on this Amazon Prime Video button and it will take me to my Amazon Prime Video page where I can easily watch this movie if I have an Amazon Prime subscription. I can also click on Join Prime and join Amazon Prime in order to watch this movie, but I'm not going to do that right now. So as discussed in a Reddit thread, users have noticed that certain movies display a Watch Now option while others only provide details without play button. This is because this movie is not available here on the Plex platform. You can only watch it from the available platforms provided in the description here. So, with these insights, you're all set to navigate Plex and enjoy your favorite movies seamlessly. And that's how you can watch movies on Plex. Whether it's your own media, free content or streaming discoveries, just navigate to Plex, click on the play icon and you'll be easily able to play or watch that movie. So if this video helped, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe and let me know in the comments what you're watching on Plex. See you in the next one.